inheritance. So inheritance, so we are discussing, and we created a employee class, and we are so about to create almost a manager class. We started and we ended there. Okay, so let's go and create the manager class already there. Just implement that class. So we'll implement this class. So oops, programs package, we have a manager class. So I have developed one instance variable, and this instance variable I am setting through parameterizer constructor, and I'm getting that value with a one getter method. So I'll develop few methods. Okay, I'll develop few methods. Are we recording? Okay. So we can just so I'll develop one static method, one non-static method in this manager class. So basically, manager task you can just write here. What are the manager tasks are there? You can write them. So what are different manager tasks? You can write that. Okay. And so let's write what actions manager can do. Manager can so assign the task, and he can okay. So what is manager tasks? Manager can attend the meetings. He can assign the task, right? So one method I'll create a protected static void assign task or manage team, right? Just simply manage the team. You will manage the team. So that's what a manager can do is first task. And I'm just simply writing few print statements. That's it. We don't just methods how to create, how to call them. You should know that. Other than that, nothing there. Okay. So started executing the manager class static method. So manage team. Okay, so that's a simple method I have created. So another method I'm going to create. Void parameterized, no, basically non-static method I want to create. One static method, one non-static method I'm just creating. So attend meetings. So you will just attend meetings. So for the manage meetings. Attend this status call, otherwise you can just say attend status calls. So this is the non-static. So the method name, I'm just method name, which method you are executing, just to show that, right? So manager, attend the project status meetings to give progress. Okay. So that's the two methods. We created one static, one non-static, and you have already non-static. So this class is a parameterized constructor. So while creating object for the class, you have to pass the parameter value. And also in the inheritance process, this is the inheritance process. So child class extends parent class. So this is called inheritance, single inheritance. Now, how can you call static members? Static members of parent class and child class. So both, see, this static members you can call child class static method in the main method directly. Even parent class static members also you can call directly. See that? I can call send notification this directly. This is coming from employee class. Okay, this is coming from employee class. This is not created in the manager class. So manage team is created here, but send notification is created in the employee class only. In the employee class only. So that is one thing. And so next, and next one is one more static method, set company name. So you want, so I can set the company name, some IBM or whatever it is. I am setting some company name. This I can use it. But how to call non-static members? You have to create object for child class only, not for the employee class. If you create a object for employee class, you cannot use both the child and parent class objects. If you create object for child class, you can use both object reference to call parent and child class objects. So see now if I call like this, is this correct? Why it's throwing error? Why it is throwing error?
We need to pass argument.
Argument you need to pass because the constructor itself a parameterized constructor. So now you are calling default constructor. There is no default constructor here. So you have a parameterized constructor. So that parameter value you have to pass. Say double. So double value you have to pass. See now error is gone. And you can call all the non-static methods I'm calling. Attend status with same object. I can call all the setter methods. Set emp-ild. See m dot set emp name. So I can create a name, any name I can give. Okay, any name I can give. I'll just give Venkat. And m dot set emp salary. So I can set it to any value. So whatever the value I want. And then, so any other method is there for setter. All the setter methods has come, right? Setter. Everything has come. So that's how you can call. And also getter methods. You call getter methods. How can you call getter methods? So manager ID is, you can get all the manager details. So m dot get, see I'm using getter methods for getting the data. For setting the data, setting the variable value, setter methods we use. For getting the data, you're calling getter methods. So that's what I was keep on telling. To set your variable values, either setter methods or a constructor, parameterized constructor you can use. See now this bonus value, I'm setting through parameterized constructor. Or you can use a setter method also. Any one is fine. So manager name is, so manager name m dot get emp name. So manager salary is, but all this these are going to be abstracted, it won't be revealed. Only for this get emp salary and bonus, get the bonus. Manager bonus is, and just so don't be overthink. These are not realistic, but how to call the methods I just want to show in the inheritance process. Just concentrate there on. So if you apply inheritance concept, parent class methods how to use. Those are the setters and getters how to use. That's what you need to focus. And static methods to non-static methods how to call. This is the only thing you need to focus. Manager belongs to. So get company name. See, I should not use object reference to call the static stuff. See, to call the static stuff, I'm not using anywhere object reference. Okay. So only you will use object reference to call non-static stuff only. This is the main basic concept you need to remember. We already covered so many times and with the non-static stuff. So if you still have a doubt, go and refer our videos. Okay, so whoever not clear on the basics, listen those videos multiple times. The basics is very, very important. So that's a first single inheritance and how to call. See, with a single object reference, you are calling child class non-static methods, parent class non-static methods. So that's the inheritance process. It's a very, very simple. And see, you are calling static stuff, parent and child class static stuff directly. You don't need a class name. Okay, if you apply inheritance. So let's go and see, rejoin back and we'll continue and multi-level inheritance. I'll show you that. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Employee class, please. I'll just take notes before I close. I joined late, Ramesh.
Yeah. So you can join back so sooner, and we are
Okay.
going to continue because this is
Mhm.
Pre-version. That's why every 40 minutes this